My name is Dakota Rice, and I'm currently a freshman here at Brown, intending on concentrating in BEO, specifically business economics, and I am submitting this video as my bid to become Mr. BSU. The first question that I feel is important for me to address concerns my intentions. Why is it that I want to run for Mr. BSU? The reason is twofold. First, I feel that with such a title, I would be able to serve as a liaison of sorts between BSU and the Brown community as a whole. I feel that there's often a mismatch between the perception of BSU in the student body and the critical function that it serves for both the black community and our whole community. Second, I feel like this competition would challenge me personally. Having been the victim of bullying and exclusion, being asked to compete in this competition was nothing short of humbling. I was astounded that my peers thought of me as someone who had the potential and would be able to withstand the scrutinization and pressure that are inherent to a pageant. This video is evidence that I have accepted that challenge. It's one that's largely internal. Another factor that must be taken into consideration is qualification. How can you, the voter, be sure that I am qualified to answer potentially complicated questions, deliver an impactful speech, all of these things required in this competition? As many of you may know, I am heavily involved with debate here at Brown. In high school, I was ranked as one of the top 10 speakers in the nation for Lincoln Douglas debate, and have competed nationally for extemporaneous speaking. I know how to answer tough questions. I know how to orate a thought-provoking speech with power and poise. I know what it takes to be Mr. BSU, and with your vote, you can be confident that I will turn this knowledge into action. I thank you for watching this video, and hope that you vote me as the Mr. BSU competitor for the class of 2016. Have a great evening.